Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for a content calendar. First, begin by creating a new database in your Notion workspace. Name it something clear like Content Calendar. Next, select the calendar view to visually organize your content. This view helps you see your publishing schedule at a glance. Finally, add crucial properties such as date for deadlines, status to track progress, and content type for categorization. These initial steps lay a solid foundation for your content planning. Once your calendar is set up, effectively manage your content ideas. Utilize a select property to categorize content, distinguishing between blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Implement a status property with options like idea, draft, review, and publish to clearly track each piece's journey. For enhanced organization, link related tasks or notes directly within your content entries using Notion's powerful relation property. This keeps all relevant information connected and easily accessible. To streamline your content creation workflow, leverage Notion's collaborative features. Assign specific team members to individual content pieces using the person property, ensuring clear ownership. Establish precise due dates for each stage, from drafting to final publication, to maintain a consistent schedule. Furthermore, encourage real-time feedback and discussions by utilizing comments and mentions directly within each content entry. This fosters efficient communication and keeps everyone aligned on project progress. Maximize your content calendar's potential with advanced customization. Create various custom views, such as a table view, to see all content details in a list format, or a board view for a Kanban-style workflow. Apply filters to quickly focus on specific content types, like only blog posts, or to highlight upcoming deadlines within the next 7 days. For even greater power, explore integrating with other tools using Notion's API, expanding your calendar's capabilities significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.